Alright, welcome back guys. We got one more bag here with pipes, mostly from my P-lot. Actually this is P-lot plus one. I have added one pipe that is not from a P-lot because it has gotten a bit repetitive whenever I have those P-lots. Most of them are Mr. Brogs, but let's get started with it. And here we have a Mr. Brog. This is a massive pipe with a bit of rustification where the stem meets the bowl, but a very nice color. This looks unsmoked, although it does have a filter that indicates that it has been smoked. But all in all, very great condition. Nothing much to be said about this. It's a classic Mr. Brog. Is that a billiard? I'm not sure. It has a tapered stem, and the shank even also is a bit, what do you say, tempered. But all in all, a nice pipe. It's the number 47. I don't think I've had 47s before from Mr. Brog. Where's my pen? There. We will see. Mr. Brog 47. Very dark staining, right? These are not briar woods. I guess they are plum wood or pear wood. We will find out. We are at the 24th video, right? I guess so. Wow, 24 videos. Condition, I have nothing to comment on this. It's completely clean. I wouldn't complain if I got that as new. So I would put that as a 9 really. Even the mouthpiece does not have chew marks. Yeah, perfect condition. Do I like it? I like big pipes, bombastic, but this is not like anything special for me. I would put that down at a 6 really. People might also like this as 6. Actually, I would say 5. So it's 965-1 because it's the first pipe of the video. Huge pipe. Next one is this thing. This, I can see it ends with a J, and I know I've had a pipe very similar to that. I will look through my collection, but I have one that's very similar, so I know it's a Mr. Brog. The numbering though is gone, so we'll have to go back and look at what the other one was numbered as. What a shame. 45 maybe? We will see. It's not a shame, I mean, it is what it is. There's a bit of a weird texture there where the shank meets the bowl. But again, I like the shape of these pipes. Oh, it's got a stinger. Also, the last one I had also had this loose ring that just fell off. So we will need to re-glue that on it. But besides that, it's fair. Now I will mark that down as Mr. Brog question mark, because I have the number. I will just have to look it up. I've got it in some bag somewhere. 24. Condition. The mouthpiece needs some cleaning. The ring needs a glue, and then the most concerning thing is at this area here, which either looks burnt or is it a rough fill? I don't know. There's also like some lines here and there. I think this pipe has just been smoked quite hard. Also, because it's not a briar pipe, they do get worn out a bit faster. So I would say condition is 5 or 6. I put it at 6 because the finish is nice. Do I like it? I do actually. Okay, it doesn't taste well. The draw is good, but it needs some cleaning. But I do like it. I like the bombastic round shapes, the big bowls and so on. But it's still very elegant, right? So I would call that a 6 actually. I know it sounded like that more. Look, the ring there is also cracked a bit. Yeah, I mean, I don't dislike it, but I'm not a huge fan. Will people like it? I think they might. I'll put that at 6 too. And then -2, because it's the second pipe of the video. And then we need to just find out what number it has. But look at this. Is this the same model? That's a Mr. Brog 24. Remember I said 40 something? I'm quite sure there's a very faint 4 there. It is the same pipe, isn't it? Almost. Just with a different rustification. The shape is more, there's like a heel there where it's more on there. But I think this goes as the same model. But this is in great condition. This is a brand, whenever I say it's a brand new pipe, I find a filter in them. But it looks like it hasn't been smoked much. I mean, the chamber just made my finger black. But I would have guessed that that was just the carbon lining of a new pipe. Yep, you know what? I like this more than I did the previous one. Even though the coloring is not the same. This has some very rough rustification, just a centimeter below the rim of the bowl, and all the way down to a centimeter from where the shank connects to the bowl. So it's a bit interesting. It's like it's got tights on it, right? That's the bum. That's the tights. Anyway. Yeah, the coloring is not my favorite color, but the shape I like. Mr. Brog, you know what? I will go. Let's finish this. Mr. Brog 24. Also 24th video dash condition. I would put that at an 8. Do I like it? I would actually put that at a 7. Will people like it? Because of the coloring, I don't really think so, which is a shame. But what should we say? 5? Dash 3 because it's the third video. Yeah. You know what? I will go back to the pipe number 2 of this video and correct that. Instead of 2 question marks, I will put it at 24 because this is quite definitely a 24. Right, next pipe is also a pretty worn pipe. You know, it has to be a Mr. Brog, but I can't tell with certainty because it's so worn out. It does have an ABS mouthpiece, but a thin tenon, which is not typical Mr. Brog, so it could be a B&B. I'm quite sure it's a Mr. Brog with this lettering there. It's hard to tell. Maybe an old Mr. Brog. This will need some digging. I mean, we might have to clean it up and see if that helps. But to start with, we will put it down as a no name because I can't tell for sure. No name Mr. Brog then. Brog, sorry. Right. 24th video dash condition. This is filthy, but structurally it's fine. So we will call that, what condition? 6, because I think it will need quite a lot of cleaning. Do I like it? I'm not a huge fan. I'll put it down at 4. Will people like it? I think they might also feel like a 4. And then dash 4. A lot of 4s on this one. You know what, this might turn out quite well, but there's a lot of charring here at the top, which would need some sanding. We will see. Right, the last pipe. Oh, you know what? All the pipes we just had, let's do that. All the pipes we just had will need a P after the ID number, because they are from the Polish batch. Let's correct that. All the pipes except for this last one, which I got here from Denmark. And this says Gloria, Briar, and then it has horn stem, and very clean. Oh wait, you can't remove that? I can't remove the mouthpiece, okay. Yeah, I won't force it. I guess this is stuck, which is interesting. Oh, you know what? Is it a horn? Or it's not acrylic, it's softer than acrylic. But I felt like it was a nice pipe. Gloria, Briar, and then something E. Or F, no, it is an E. Right, yeah, it is a no, is it a no name? Should we call it Gloria? Yeah, you know what? Let's call it a no name and then a Gloria in the model. No name, Gloria. That's what we know about it. But we know it is the 24th video. We know that the condition is good. I won't really put any words on this. Okay, the bowl is not quite as nice. It looks like it has been chipped off. Alright, it's not ideal. You know, the draft hole goes in, and right where it hits the bowl, there's a big chunk that has like chipped off, which I'm not quite sure if this is a good thing for a pipe. Actually, the draft hole is very low in the bottom of the bowl, but that might be a good thing. Anyway, because of that, I would put it at a 7, but I don't think I'd work at it. I think we'll leave it as it is. Do I like it? I'm actually a bit, what do you say, a bit disappointed that I can't pull out the mouthpiece, but we will try to freeze it and see if that doesn't help. I would, even if I could, I mean, I would put that at a 4. I'm not a huge fan. Will people like it? I think a 4 is very appropriate. Dash 5. Good. Folks, this is the last pipe of the video. A Gloria black and white pipe, black head with white horn stem. And we've got this worn out, probably Mr. Brog, but for now a no name. We've got a Mr. Brog 24 in a light version with the rustification. We've got a Mr. Brog 24 with a very even finish, but with a worn out stamp. Then we've got this Mr. Brog 47, which is a massive billiard pipe. Let me know what you think. What did you think of this video? And the pipes. Any favorites? Any idea about any of these? Have you got them? Have you tried them? Do you know any information about them? Especially the Gloria, I have no idea. But nonetheless, thank you for hanging around, watching these videos, and especially for the comments. I really appreciate them. Thanks for watching. See you around for the next one. Bye-bye.